guys, Patrick here from Wrestling Nerds. Just want to welcome you to this totally different video. Definitely not taken away from the Corfu vibe. Also somewhat different, very different. Obviously, as you may or may not know if you're watching this, on the 9th of June 2022, and obviously today is the 10th of June 2022, Corfu's had a very bit of bad weather, but I was watching a live stream on a webcam, which I'm going to put in the description below, so the massive description bit where there's a load of now information on there. There's going to be a link to the website. If not, just type in Corfu Sidari Webcams. You will get everything you need from there. Basically, it's just the one webcam. It's facing up towards literally Canal Moor. You can see the beach. It's very nice to sit and watch it, and I like watching the thunder on it. And then I thought to myself, why don't I film it? So here it is. If it picks any steam up and you guys enjoy it and you want more footage, let me know. Maybe do longer bits of the webcam feed. But yeah, if you want to check it out, the feed will be in the description, or like I said, Google Corfu Sidari webcams and it should be come up. It's literally, I think there's only one, but yeah, just check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back very soon with an update which I've already filmed, so I'm kind of like a bit in advance. So yeah, I've been Patrick, this has been Wrestling Nerds. I'll see you all very soon. Bye.